Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk to you about how you use the publicity that you get as a lead generation tool. But before I tell you how to do that, I would love it if you would pop over to our YouTube channel and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll get all of these amazing videos right when we do them. Now, how do you use media as a lead gen tool? People love famous people. People love working with these experts that have been in the media. So let's make sure that when you get in the media, you land in the media, that you tell people. So use the logos on your website. Please do not put out a press release where they house it in a back end and then you say, as seen on NBC, CBS, ABC, and Fox. That's not authentic. That's not real. I want real interviews, but put those real logos on, link to them. Do a screenshot, do a PDF, screen record if you're on TV so you always have it. Tell people in your newsletter, tell people on, you can do a blog post about it, tell people on social media. It's up to you to be your own megaphone and tell the world that you've gotten this media, but it will help in your lead generation. People love that. And there are studies that show that people with media logos actually can charge more money. So that is this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. If you like this tip, if you want to learn more about getting in the media, check out our live event at getprfamous.com. It's an amazing event. It's virtual and it's live. There's all kinds of options. If that doesn't work for you, feel free to reach out to me and we can talk about other ways that we can help you get more visible. So pitch, 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 and let me know all of your success stories.